Hello friends, welcome to Easy Fun Maths. Kumari here. Today's topic, addition of unlike fractions. Addition of unlike fractions. We are starting with simple examples. Look at the circle. First one represent half. Second one represent 4 by 8. We are going to add 1 by 2 plus 4 by 8. When we are adding unlike fraction, the first step is to make the unlike fractions to like fractions. Unlike fraction, we have to make like fractions. How to make like fractions? Take the denominators 2 and 8, calculate the LCM. 2 and 8, the LCM is 8. Now, you have to change this fraction with the denominator 8. What is 1 by 2? Multiplying by 4 by 4, we are getting the denominator 8. So, multiply 1 by 2 into 4 by 4. 1 into 4 makes 4. 2 into 4 makes 8. 1 by 2 is same as 4 by 8. Look at the picture. 1 by 2 is same as 4 by 8. Both represent half. So, 4 instead of 1 by 2, we are writing 4 by 8. Again, 4 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Like fraction, addition. The denominator remains the same. You have to add the numerator. 4 plus 4 gives 8. 8 by 8. What is 8 by 8? 1 whole. Another example. Here we have the fractions 2 by 8 and 1 by 4. 2 by 8 and 1 by 4. Find the LCM of 8 and 4. LCM is 8. So first fraction there is no change. We are writing as it is 2 by 8. Second fraction you have to change. Make the denominator 8. So get the clue number. 4 into which number we are getting 8? 2. So you have to multiply this fraction by 2 by 2. Or multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number 2. So 1 into 2 we are getting 2. 4 into 2 we are getting 8. So instead of 1 by 4 we are writing 2 by 8. Now very simple, like fraction. So you have to add the numerator. 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4. Denominator is same. 4 by 8. Again, closely observe. When we are writing the answer, always you have to put it into the lowest form. The fraction 4 by 8, you have to closely observe what is common. You can do in two ways. One, divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. So we are getting 2 by 4. Again, you can observe 2 is again common factor. So again divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the resulting answer result is 1 by 2. In this step directly you can divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 we will get 1. 8 divided by 4 we are getting 2. So as you wish you can do. But the answer should be in the lowest form. So 2 by 8 plus 1 by 4 we are getting the answer half. Closely observe the picture. Then you will get an idea perfectly. See, this is also quarter. 2 by 8 is also quarter. So quarter plus quarter. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 we are getting half. Another example. This fraction represents 1 by 4. Second fraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of 16. Second fraction is 10 out of 16. We are adding unlike fraction. So you have to calculate the LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominator 4 and 16. LCM is 16. Here there is no change, already the denominator is 16. So here you have to change. Denominator you have to make it into 16. So what is the clue number you have to calculate in your mind? So 4 into which number? You are getting 16. That will give you the clue number. So you have to multiply numerator, denominator by that clue number. So here we are multiplying by 4 by 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. So now 4 by 16 plus 10 by 16. They are like fractions. So simply you have to add the numerator. 4 plus 10, you are getting 14. Denominator is 16. Here also closely observe. This fraction is having a common factor 2. So divide both numerator, denominator by 2. So 14 divided by 2, you are getting 7. 16 divided by 2, you are getting 8. Again in the last step, how will you check? Here there is no common factor. So we can stop. The answer is 1 by 4 plus 10 by 16. We are getting 7 by 8. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Find out the LCM 5 and 3. LCM is 15. So, these two unlike fraction we are going to make it like with the common number 15. Denominator 15. So, you can write straight away like this. Common denominator 15. So, 5 times which number you are getting? 15. That is a clue number. So, 5 into 3 you are getting 15. So, the clue number is 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. Here you have to get the clue number again. 3. Here it is 15. So 3 times 5. 5 is the clue number. So 1 into 5. 5. 3 into 5. 15. Now they are like fractions. 6 by 15. 5 by 15. Here we have written the denominator together. That's all. So 6 plus 5, answer is 11 by 15. Now we are moving on to mixed fraction. 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1 and 1 by 4. The easy simple way is, first itself you separate the counting numbers. 2 plus 1, we are putting together. Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. We are separating the counting numbers separately. So 2 plus 1 we are getting 3. Plus half plus quarter. Very simple, just now we have done. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Denominator is 4. So here the clue number is 2. So 1 into 2 we are getting 2. 2 into 2 we are getting 4. Here the denominator is 4. So there is no change for the numerator. So it is 1. Now 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 4. This you have to add in your mind. 2 plus 1 we are getting 3. 3 by 4. So together 3 and 3 by 4. Here you have to add in your mind. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 3 by 4. So 3 and 3 by 4. Together we are getting 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Another example. 2 by 3 plus 1 5 by 9. Here also we are separating the counting numbers 2 and 1. So we are writing 2 plus 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9. 2 plus 1 we are getting 3 plus, here you have to get the LCM. 3 and 9, LCM is 9. Now get the clue number. 3 into which number is 9? 3. So multiply numerator also by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Here the denominator is 9, so there is no change for the numerator. So it remains 5. Now 3 plus 6 plus 5, we are getting 11 by 9. 11 by 9 is improper fraction. You have to express into mixed number. Another way, 3 plus, what is 11 by 9? 9 by 9 plus 2 by 9. What is 9 by 9? Which is equal to 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 9. What is 3 plus 1? 4. So the answer is 4 and 2 by 9. Now I have given 2 questions for homework. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Second question, 3 1 by 3 plus 2 4 by 9. Hope you enjoyed. Coming soon with another idea. If you like my video, please like and share. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to get further notification. Thank you to all. Bye.